5 interesting things you can do in your free time. All work and no play, they say, makes Jack a dull boy. They say working hard is the way to success, but you've got to find a way to balance up the extra work you're putting yourself through. Do you know that the way people spend their spare time can have a huge impact on their success or productivity in their professional world? You read that right. The productivity you generate in your free time can be passed over into the success of your professional duties. For instance, Neil Patrick Harris, who got into stardom in his late teens or his early 20s when he starred in the hit TV series Doogie Howser, as recounted in his autobiography, whenever he had a couple of weeks of vacation, he would travel down to NYC to see as many Broadway shows as he possibly could. He was doing this because he wanted to see professional actors at the top of their game. Today, he is a celebrated, award-winning actor, writer, presenter, and host. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 interesting things you should do in your free time. If you are new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. 1. Seek inspiration and fresh experiences. According to Danielle Laporte, an author and business expert, try getting out of your obvious bubble. If you are a chef, go to a museum. If you are a painter, head to a top restaurant. Seek inspiration in unexpected places. If you have the time, you can go on a weekend getaway or a vacation. Be around things that can inspire you or around things that will leave you feeling refreshed and eager to launch into work once again. Putting yourself in a new environment, either in your own city or abroad, can activate your brain in new ways that can result in an energy boost. 2. Read a good book. Have you ever picked up a book with the intention of glancing through, only to find yourself reading through the first chapter already? As a matter of fact, you can't wait to finish reading the entire book. That's the power of a good book. Now, have you wondered why you feel that way with some books, while with some others it's a different story entirely? Well, you see, we all seek self-development. We want to read about something that we haven't read before. Most importantly, we want to be involved with something that will have a direct positive impact on our lives. And oftentimes than not, these things are recorded between the hardcovers of a book. Successful people understand that reading introduces them to new characters, new environments, new cultures, new philosophies, and new ideas. It expands your knowledge and keeps you up to date with new development in your career, as well as improves your thought process. Reading also helps you build your vocabulary, comprehension, and your communication skills in general. 3. Learn something new. Learning is always fun, whether you choose to learn a new language, a new skill, a musical instrument, or anything else. The most important thing is to go for an activity you love and learn. The most successful people in the world are the ones who make a commitment to never stop learning. You can even add some of the skills you learn to your resume to give you a career boost. Thanks to a world of internet, online tutorials, web-based information courses are some of the ways you can learn new things. 4. Network and build relationships. Most networking events take place outside corporate environments. For instance, weekend breakfast, cocktail hours, and the likes do not happen during working hours. For instance, Thomas Jefferson, the 3rd US president, was known for his legendary dinner parties. Jefferson will invite a variety of people he found fascinating and then pose a deep philosophical question for everyone at the table to answer. Mind you, no small talk allowed. You see, life is much more than working round the clock every day just to earn yourself a few bucks. It is important to know how to build and value relationships. For instance, when was the last time you had a deep, meaningful, face-to-face conversation with a friend, a colleague, or a mentor? Don't be so concerned with meeting new people in order to land new sales or contract. Instead, connect with these people deeply. Most of the time, these connections could result in new ideas that could lead to a career leap. 5. Exercise. If you are of the opinion that exercising is basically for athletes or people who want to lose weight, then you might want to take your time to read this properly. The dictionary meaning of exercise is any activity that requires physical effort carried out to sustain or improve health and fitness. Also, as defined by Healthline, exercise is defined as any movement that makes your muscles work and requires your body to burn calories. Oh, okay. Maybe you know what exercise is, but you do not know what it does, neither do you see any reason to exercise as often as you can. Here you go. Several studies have revealed that people who exercise 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, enjoy better overall brain health. Exercising gets your blood pumping, your endorphins flowing, builds your muscles, helps you burn calories, and oxygenate your brain, which helps you relieve stress. It might not seem like fun at first, but exercising alongside reducing stress helps you look better, feel better, and boost your overall confidence. This confidence in turn improves your productivity at work and everywhere else. Besides, exercising helps you practice mindfulness in order to help you relax, improve productivity, facilitate creativity, and maintain your general overall well-being. Although there are so many other ways you can spend your free time, picking up 1 or 2 habits from successful people can improve your mindset and your abilities, thereby increasing your chances of success at your workplace. Thank you for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.